Alright, y'all. I'm gonna get comfortable. I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna create some content. We're gonna do the damn thing. By June 27th, I'm gonna have 100 videos uploaded onto YouTube. And each video is gonna improve from the previous one that I uploaded. So this is video number 1, numero uno. Trek Nationals, presented by Nitrous Outlet. Let's get it!
Hold on, I'm not at the booth yet. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm at the mic. Yeah!
What's up? What's happening? We arrived at the Houston Raceway for Truck Nationals. I'm pretty hyped, like, just from looking at the trucks pull in, there's some bad mud suckers out here, man. This guy right here.
Running off energy drinks my boy.
Man, I hear that.
2 in the morning.
2 in the morning?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. Nothing but respect for a clean-ass truck.
Right? Alright, we're about to get in line and attempt to make the first pass. We're testing soon. You see where my sitting situation is.
You got the, what do you call it? The presidential.
Alright, y'all, so they just made an announcement about the event not being a quarter-mile event. So it's 1/8 mile only. Plus side, you gotta worry about the transmission. But what's some new numbers you gonna shoot for? What's something you're trying to shoot for an 8?
720.
720s?
A 720 would be ideal.
Yeah. Still should be a good time. I'm still excited about it. Feel free to talk if you want to. Alright.
So we can manage a 720. 720 is all we need.
Alright, so my experience so far has just been bad on my behalf because I locked my fucking keys in the truck. Octavio, he ran, I forgot what he said. I think he said 762. Correct me if I'm wrong, that was like almost 2 hours ago. I just been waiting on the tow truck to come and unlock my truck. Or pick my lock at least. There's a good amount of people out here. I missed the first test and tune. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more coming up. But yeah. A little bummed I missed out on the first round. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Broke boy gon' run if he ain't get no money.
Bro, this 7.5 index class is stacked, my God. It is stacked. There's hella people in it. Trying to hype them up where I take them. Did you get the run? Did you get the run right here?
Yeah, I ran earlier. Yeah.
How was it?
It was good. My first run. I loved it, man. It was good. What's up?
Did you see me running now? He went 767. I went 768. We were like this, and breaking up. Oh, damn, dude. It fucking sucked.
I do not care who you think you know or whatever. Get off the starting line. Let's go. Everybody, right now.
Yeah, that's
Come on, guys, we need you to move. We need you to move. Don't look at me stupid. Just move.
Somebody just took over. It's like, yo, I'm gonna shut this shit down if y'all don't get off the starting line. There's a hell of people up there. It's hilarious. It just sucks because if somebody's motor blows or something blows off, somebody get fucked up. But so far it's a good time. There's a lot of trucks, a lot of people out here. I'm really hoping that there's another testing tune just so I can run my truck, get a time, but
All right, I guess y'all still
a lot of
don't
fast
get
shit
that I'm
out here.
talking to y'all. Everybody in the
thought about leaving to go get some food to come back.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I seen
Let's go get some tacos. Let's head out. You down or?
are they not doing testing too?
I'm not sure. It don't sound like they're gonna do. I don't know. I can't get an answer anymore. So.
All right, y'all. I thought the night was over. Actually, we ended up leaving the track, but I seen this car meet on Facebook. Actually, on Instagram. Damn. I seen this car meet on Instagram, and I figured I'd check it out before I leave Houston. Seemed like a techno music going on. Made me wanna, you know. All right, let's check it out, y'all.
Now we pray for a better day, and I know you pray for a better do. And it's hard to change, and it's hard to say. You ain't on the wave, then you gotta move. It's alright, it's okay. I can own my mistakes.
Another successful trip in the books, but before I head home, I had to stop at In-N-Out. Yes.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What can I get served for you?
Can I have a cheeseburger meal?
Yeah, would you like onions on that?
No, Ian. Sorry.
Okay, what would you like to drink?
Root beer.
Root beer, you got it. Anything else for you?
Not that yet.
Perfect. Are you eating in the car today?
Yeah. No.
All right, it's going to be $6.82 at that second window.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
In-N-Out is way better than Whataburger.